What's the meaning of avuncular? Avuncular. Avuncular.
Avuncular. Avuncular. Avuncular is an adjective that describes someone who has the qualities of a kind and helpful uncle. This term is often used to describe a person who is friendly, supportive, and patient, particularly towards younger people or those in need of guidance. An avuncular person is often seen as reliable and approachable, and they may offer practical advice and support to others. Overall, avuncular refers to a warm and reassuring personality, like that of a trusted family member.